What's up guys, Kalen Bryan here, coming at you with another video. And if you're watching this video, you probably already heard about 30days.com. So Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels, like one of the best funnel makers in the world, has come out with a summit called 30days.com, which is a 30-day summit, right? And so if you're on this video, that means you want to learn a little bit more about the summit, what it entails, what's the ins and outs of it, what you can get, what you don't get, what's free, what's not free, and thus forth. So let's go ahead and get right to the computer and show you 30days.com. Okay, so here's Russell Brunson right here, like he's a self-made millionaire, right? So he knows what he's talking about. He's this person who has results like we want to get, so it's probably important to listen to him, right? So 30days.com. So Russell Brunson has 30 online internet marketing entrepreneurs, right, who have made millions of dollars. All of them are below here. You can see some big names: Liz, Trey, Garrett White, Dana Derricks, Allison Prince. These people, you can read their bios in detail later, but these people have made millions of dollars and have seen a lot of success online. Spencer McCann. These are some big names, guys, I'm telling you. So they know what they're talking about. You can already tell that this 30-day summit is going to be action-packed, right? And a lot of value, a lot of content. So what happens if you suddenly lose everything? Like all these 30 millionaires who made money online and success online, what happens if they lost everything? If they lost their email list, if they lost their funnels, if they lost their products, everything, or even if they lost their money, what would they do, right? And so Russell Brunson has collaborated with these successful entrepreneurs, and they have 30 videos, a video per day, that will tell you exactly what each one of these people would do if they lost everything, okay? And that's all the 30-day summit is. It's basically showing us, myself, and all those who want to learn how to start your online affiliate marketing or whatever online business where you make passive income from scratch. What would they do if they had to start from day one or day zero all over again? Guys, this is a gold nugget, and guess what? It's free. It's free for you to register and see these 30-day summit videos that Russell Brunson and others have put together. It's totally free, and it's worth your time just to sign up and go through the free trainings, okay? I'll have a link in the description if you want to check out 30days.com. So click the link below, check it out, sign up, register now for the free trainings. So let me go in, I've registered already, so let me go in and go into kind of like the back office of the free trainings. So one thing you need to know is there will be one video will come out per day. So only one video per day, so it's like not like you can watch all videos in the same, all 30 in one day or not. So it's kind of like dripped, a drip process, right? So after you complete that one video, then it goes to the next video. But there is one catch, guys. If you go to the site and read further down, you'll find the catch, right? I already know, but I just want to show you where it is here. Okay. Well, the catch is I can't find it. They must have changed the site when I last came on here. But the catch is you only have 24 hours to view the videos, right? So once you sign up, it'll tell you the first day that you can watch the videos, like on September 17th, 18th, and 19th during the live online summit. So I first start watching them on the 17th, right? When the video comes available, you only have 24 hours to watch that video, right? It's free. It's a free video, so they want you to take action and take the steps to utilize and take advantage of these resources, right? So after you sign up on the link below, what you'll do is get an email from Russell and ClickFunnels saying, here's your links for the video. Do not lose your link. Go to the videos when they are released, watch the videos as many times as you want to within that 24-hour window. But after the 24-hour window is over, that video for that day is gone. You can't go back to it, right? So it's important that you stay consistent and watch the videos on when they come available. Okay, so that's this one catch. That's with the free registration, right? But you know that there is some kind of paid course. So the One Funnel Away Challenge. So this is a challenge that Russell Brunson has put together, again, also with the 30 other entrepreneurs who have made this successful. It's a challenge where you get a lot of bonuses, and it's like a detailed plan, like a diet plan is. It gives you your meal plans, your workout plans. This is a funnel away challenge, or basically a 30-day plan for where you can start making money online successfully with ClickFunnels, right? This challenge costs $100. $100. It's right here. There it is. It's just for $100, and you get your 30-day plan. And you also get these two coaches, Stephen and Julie. There'll be coaches along the way with you in these 30 days, along with Russell Brunson. Okay, but the thing is, like I mentioned before, for the videos, just for the free training, they're only up for 24 hours. If you purchase and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you get all the 30 videos that are only staying for 24 hours. You get unlimited access to these 30 videos. So you can go back any day, anytime you want to. You're not restricted with 24 hours if you join the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I'm telling you, just from that alone, guys, it's golden. It's way worth $100 to just join the challenge to get unlimited access to these interviews and these videos from these entrepreneurs and gurus, right? And you also get the training from Stephen and Julia, but it does not stop there. Like, what more do you need just to jump in and pay the $100, right? So after that, you get these bonuses. Bonuses are below. Bonus one, you get this 30-day hardcover book. So this is a free bonus if you join the 100, the one-way challenge, one funnel away challenge. If you join today, you get this first bonus. It's 550 pages hardcover book. This is basically the 30-day challenge of like entrepreneurs and gurus just pouring their knowledge and pouring their advice and strategies out on hardcover. It's just your book. You can do whatever you want to, write notes in it, not cut up pages because you want to keep them and preserve them, but make notes, highlight, do whatever you want to in your hands, guys. And it comes with this bonus, where it comes with this $100 One Funnel Away Challenge. So not only is that one bonus, they have a second bonus. Like I said earlier, instead of you having, here it is, that's what I was trying to find earlier. So during the summer, each day of the 30 days interview, they'll only be available for 24 hours, right? But if you join the One Funnel Away Challenge, you'll get unlimited access to the 30-day interview series. You can go back whenever you want to and watch the video. So that's the second bonus, which I had already told you about earlier. And then there's a third bonus. There's a behind-the-scenes private interviews of 30 2-Comma Club members. So this is something that apparently has never been seen before. It's just basically an online, just like a community where people who have reached massive success can, you just pick their brains. So there's three bonuses right there that comes with this One Funnel Away Challenge. So like I said, you get the one funnel away coaching with 2-Comma Club coaches, Stephen and Julie. You get your customized 30-day plan and daily action steps. That is so important. That is a gold mine in itself. When you start your online business, you don't know where to start. You don't know where to go. You start, what do I do next? And then after I do that next step, what do I do after that? So having step-by-step daily action steps that you can follow is golden. It's like a no-brainer, guys. So after that, you can also get the 30-day hardcover book in your hands, and then of course the unlimited access to the 30-day interviews. So instead of having with the free version just a 24-hour window, you get the full unlimited access, lifetime access to the videos. And then this kind of ties into the first one. the never before seen 2 comma club funnel interviews. So it's a total value of $14.35, but all you have to do is pay $100 for this one funnel away challenge, and guys, I'm telling you, it's worth it. You should just sign up. I am an affiliate with ClickFunnels, so the link is in the description for the 30-day summit. If you want to just sign up for the free 30-day interviews, you can do that. That's totally fine. But I suggest that you at least do that. If you don't even go for the challenge for $100, sign up for the free interviews, okay? Because these guys are going to take you from what they would do if they went from nothing, trying to rebuild their brand, their business, and start making money online, right? So you want to get with this. It's not a scam. It's legit. Just immerse yourself in it today, right? So that's my little review on 30-Day Summit. It's a gold mine. I don't know why. If you haven't even looked into the link in the description yet, you're probably not. I'm just telling you. Just go ahead and do it right now. In the description, there'll also be a free step-by-step guide, my free affiliate marketing step-by-step guide if you want to use it also. But just go and check out 30-Day Summit, guys. So that'll be down there. And that's all I have for you. Comment below if you are going to join 30days.com, or if you already have joined 30days.com and are viewing this video. Comment below and let me know your thoughts so far. Let me know what kind of value and what kind of content you've learned, what kind of new strategies that you're going to put in place for 30days.com. And let's learn from each other, right, guys? So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like videos like this, review videos and review on products where it helps you make money and teach you how to be a successful online entrepreneur, hit the notification bell, or subscribe first and then hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with more videos teaching you how to live and create a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, so hit subscribe and notification bell. Thanks for watching. Caleb Bryant.